Cold, but it's quiet right now. This is going to change tonight. We're going to have a winter weather advisory in place south of Buffalo. Everyone kind of is in the same boat temperature wise, pretty uniform between Hamilton right to Dunkirk and even Olean right at 23 degrees. We have a few inches of snow that's coming, and especially on some of those hilltops, we could see a little bit more than that. So 4 or 5 inches, and that's why the advisory is in place south of Buffalo. But as of right now, we're going to add some more cloud cover into the evening. Eventually, we're talking about some snow showers that are going to arrive with the system. First, in the way of a warm front that's actually going to rise our temperatures into the overnight. So we'll be waking up with temps right around the freezing mark. That's going to be a change, right? We're rising to about 30 degrees by 4 a.m. Snow showers arrive closer to midnight or so, although still very light. There'll be a light dusting as you're headed to bed. And by early tomorrow morning, you'll likely have around 2 or 3 inches on the ground. So our hourly forecast from 9 to around 11 o'clock, we're only going to have some light snow showers begin to arrive on the radar screen, and then through the overnight we'll start to have it stack up a bit. By Wednesday morning, some of the steadiest snow is gone, but then we'll turn our attention to some lake effect snow showers that will be with us for the second half of the day, and we'll then see a little bit more on those hilltops. 22 degrees into the early overnight, then the temperatures increase along with the winds beginning to increase as well. As for snowfall, it's going to be a very light coating around midnight tonight, and then by early Wednesday morning, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches in spots, and then we'll start to see it stack up a little bit more, especially on the Boston Hills into Wyoming County, Cattaraugus, even a portion of ski country, and into Cattaraugus County as well, where that 3 to 5 inch mark is going to be possible into the day on Wednesday. As we look at our forecast Wednesday, we're hovering right around the freezing mark. We'll get some mid-30s out there, but we'll also deal with some gustier winds. We'll have southwest winds and westerly winds in play that are around 20 miles an hour, and then the winds will be gusting to around 35 miles an hour for the day. So even with temps above freezing, it's definitely going to feel like we're closer to 20 and even into the teens in spots. So this is another look at how everything will play out into the night tonight. Through the overnight, the steady snow will be here where everyone gets around 2 to 3 inches. Those higher hills maybe up to 4. And then into the day on Wednesday, the winds begin to shift. We'll see a little bit more of some lake influence here during the day, especially into southern portions of Erie County, and even the potential into Buffalo towards Warsaw as we head into the afternoon. Winds shifting a little bit more and dropping that band further south. Minor accumulations at best. We won't have a ton coming out of this, but we'll have colder air then back on the back side of it. We'll have highs right in the middle 20s. We're up to about 40 degrees into Friday and Saturday. We will see those temperatures drop and some snow showers come back into play with highs in the 20s into early next week, and a rain-snow mix as we start to bump those temperatures back up on Tuesday.